Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix Instagram app not opening on iPhone iOS 18. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open the settings on your iPhone. Over here, tap General. After that, select iPhone Storage. Then scroll down and find the Instagram app. Over here, tap on Instagram and then tap Offload app. After that, confirm by tapping Offload again. Then choose Reinstall app. If that doesn't work, swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center. After that, tap the airplane icon to enable airplane mode. Wait a few seconds, then tap it again to disable airplane mode. Then make sure you are connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data. If Instagram still won't open, switch your internet connection from Wi-Fi to cellular or vice versa. So that's basically how you can fix Instagram app not opening on iPhone iOS 18. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.